Hey, so this is you guys' website. Looking at it, actually looks pretty nice. Looks like you guys use WordPress, which is good. And I mean, everything looks pretty decent. One thing, you guys have 781 words of content on there. The more content you have, the better. That's not a bad number, but you could always add more. Google loves content, so the more content you have, the better it is. So you want organic content with keywords in it. You can also do it for back pages as well, which I'm sure you guys do. One thing I did notice though, when I came down here and I went to save images, you don't have these saved right. You want these saved as a keyword that you want to rank for. It gives you another opportunity to have a keyword on your website for Google to find. Google, it can't see what the image is, but it can see what it's saved as. So it's just a missed opportunity. It's just something you can do to help. Um, But let's go check out Roof Repair Madison. Coming down here, I'm grabbing this top guy right here. This is his website. It's not near as good as you guys' website, and content-wise, is basically nothing there. 305 words, so you guys are already beating him there. But you can check out other competitors and see what their um, how much content they have. And this guy doesn't save his images right either. A lot of people don't. It's just an opportunity that you miss if you don't save it right. Let's plug you guys into Ahrefs. Plugging in here, I can see you guys actually do a lot of focus on your SEO backlinks, which is really good. You guys are looking really nice. You got a strong UR, a strong DR. You probably know what Ahrefs is, I'm guessing. And you're ranking for a lot of keywords with quite a bit of traffic. But you can come in here and see what keywords you go on. It looks like kitchen remodeling. Looks like that's your moneymaker right there. You got 26 people a month to your website from that one. You ranked number 2. Uh, kitchen remodelers. There's another one right there. It looks like you guys do a lot of kitchen remodeling, and that's kind of where you're. I'm guessing that's the people you have coming to your website and the majority of your clients. But you can come down here and go after the ones that you don't have, that you're not ranking high. It looks like you're focusing on roofing, Madison, Wisconsin. You got going up 20 spots. I see number 8 right now, and you're getting 4.8 people a month. And there's 100 people that search that a month. The lower the KD, the easier it is to rank for. So KD is this. So, this one's 2 KD, so it's pretty easy to rank for. Obviously, you're ranking pretty well for it. You could always get to the number 1 spot, but number 2 isn't a bad spot either. Number 1 could be like Home Advisor or something too, or it could be a directory. So number 2 spot's not bad. But let's go check out your competitor, which obviously this guy's a pretty crap competitor. He doesn't have much for backlinks or referring domains, and not much organic keywords. But he's ranking number 1 for this keyword right here, 60 volume, 7 KD, roof repair, Madison. But I mean, I think you guys kind of beat this guy when it comes to that stuff. But we could go check out a better competition. Hold on one second, I'll go find one. Found. Still, you guys are doing better with your referring domains and backlinks, and you got a better scores there. But this guy's doing a little bit better than the guy I had previously. Looking roofing, Madison, Wisconsin, 10 KD, 100 volume. This guy's ranking number 2. So you go after some of these higher KD ones. I mean higher volume ones. Obviously Madison roofing, 150 people search that a month, 1 KD. So you could grab that one. You could rank to the top on that one pretty fast. If you did metal roofing, there's 50 and 8, 70 and 2. There's a whole bunch of them out here. Obviously you can go do this for all kinds of different ones out there. Your kitchen remodeling. What else do you guys do? Gutters, all that stuff, storm damage, interiors, bedrooms, basements. Basically anything you guys do, you can go out there and look. Next thing is you can come check out this guy's. I hit the wrong one again. You can check out this guy's backlinks and go after the ones you like of his. The higher you want to go after high DR, high UR scores, you also want them to be relevant to your industry. You don't want to get fast food linking back to you when you guys are in construction. roofing or remodeling. Um, I'm sure you know that because it looks like you guys do a pretty good focus on your backlinks and referring domains. Obviously, as guest posts, blog commenting, blogs, sponsors, um, news articles, basically anything that'll link back to you. Next thing, I'm going to talk about the GMB. Go on here. First thing, you want to make sure you have it 100% complete. You don't want to skip any steps. Then you want to make sure you add as many photos as you can. The more photos you have, the better. That's the content when it comes to GMBs. And then the third, you want citations. So putting you guys in, you have more citations than this guy. Location does matter because Google My Business is location based. So you could set up another GMB in Madison if you want to go after those, or you could just keep this GMB in Prairie du Sac. But yeah, you can come in here and see what citations you have. Obviously, it's just directories, Facebook, Yelp, Yellow Pages. There's a whole bunch of them out there. A lot of free ones. It's time consuming getting them, but it's something that's pretty easy to do. It just takes time, something you can definitely do. And it looks like you have 49 of them, so you guys have spent some time getting those, which is good. But yeah, hopefully this helps at least somewhat. I know you guys are doing pretty good right now. But one thing I want to talk about is make sure you change those, put keywords in there. But yeah, if you want, we can talk more. You can reach out to me, or I can reach out to you. I would like some feedback on what you thought of this video. Anyways, hope you have a good rest of your day. Thanks for watching. Bye.